Wheezes are described as relatively continuous sounds as compared to crackles. They usually last for more than 200 milliseconds and have a musical quality. On time-expanded waveform analysis, they can be seen to have a sinusoidal pattern. Wheezes are believed to be caused by airway narrowing. While bronchospasm is a common cause of the narrowing that causes wheezing, a variety of other conditions can also produce this adventitious sound, including airway edema, secretions, endobronchial tumors, and extrinsic compression of an airway. Wheezing in congestive heart failure is likely due to increased fluid in the peribronchial lymphatics causing airway compression.